in this UAE we have lots of restriction on COVID protocol. So like that, if anyone got COVID positive, so they are just informing who are the one being with them when they are having some symptoms, right? They are trying to give all the numbers. So like that, there is someone gave my number, so he got COVID positive, and later I got a message from DOH like this. So in this message they are telling what, you are a person with COVID positive, so you need to isolate yourself. If you are vaccinated, you're supposed to isolate for or quarantine for 7 days, otherwise it is for 12 days. So everything so strange. So you need to know who is the one who got positive, or why they gave my number like that. You need to know, better to avoid such situations, otherwise it is a big headache. And also the thing is, the person who got positive, na, he gave my number and then he told my name as Terry. From today onwards, I am going to change my name to Terry. How dare he can do that? My name he is changing, and they from DOH also they are sending in the name of Mr. or Miss Terry. Very nice, right? And later one day I came to know he is just my student, and he did this mess. He got positive, and I am just wishing him for a good health. And after I'm asking, have you got any symptom when you are in a class on that day? Because before getting COVID, 4 days before only he came. There is no point of providing my phone number to the some person who calling. So why he gave my number, I don't know. Just it is because of that I got one free PCR test. It is in Zayed Port. So that student, I actually I'm messaging him on WhatsApp. I can't able to speak with him, but he's telling everything in WhatsApp. And after he called me also, I have spoke with him. So what he's telling means he don't have any symptom when he was here in the institute. So when he was with me, he don't have any symptom. And later only he went to the friend's house, and through the friend only he got infected, because his friend also got positive. So then why the hell he gave my number to the Department of Health? I don't know. So sometimes this kind of strange things happen, so you need to be aware of these things, because now we should not trouble others, and also at the same time we should think of social well-being. So it's fine that he gave my number. Better I can also go for a test, I can confirm that I got negative, and it is good. But sometimes it is irritating, without there is no link between me and him. So why there is no close contact, right? We are not sitting together in the park and then chit chatting. We are not close friends or something like that. So in that case, there is no point of sharing those details. This is what my point actually. Yeah. Another thing, we are in a new place, and this is like a new country. In our country itself, we don't know many things. When it is like a new place, we need to know many things, or we need to inquire them, or we need to inquire someone in the public. So they might not tell the exact things. Like what happened was, I was struggling a lot. Just I want to go by bus, and after 2-3 times, I just get into and get down from the bus. So they don't know the exact things, because the same number also going in different routes. Say someone is telling 44, someone is telling 9. In 44 itself there is two kinds of buses, so many things is there. So this is like a headache, right? That's why I'm telling. And after I got the bus, and then I just get into the Zayed Port. So where we can able to see lots of things, they are just providing the vaccination and everything. So they are doing on behalf of Seha. This is like a government aided hospitals or something like that, I guess. And then, so if you want to go for vaccination also, you can just book your slots through the apps, and then you can just go to the particular place on that particular day. So just every time, to the ram, just get into and get down, so to the ram. So mostly no need to spend for taxi also. It is in the Abu Dhabi city itself, so you can just travel by bus. So after getting down from the bus, in the Zayed Port, you need to go to the yellow tent. That yellow tent is for a free PCR test. So you need to show your message. So if you don't have message, then they won't allow. And then you need to show your visa copy and Emirates ID. So with that, we can able to just go for free PCR test over there. And it was very good. That center also, the PCR testing center was very good. and then they are just maintaining all protocols, and then we can able to have a so good PCR test over there. So you need to just give the test, and then the result will be like immediately coming. So for example, today evening 4 o'clock you are giving, in the sense like tomorrow morning itself the result is coming. Why? Because this is directly from Sega. So this SCHA, this kind of hospitals where we can able to get immediate result for PCR. So if anyone like want to go for a like a faster PCR test, or you want to get a faster result, then you can try with Sega, and you need to pay for 65 dirham for each and every test, I guess. So fortunately, I got negative only. So in this PCR testing, they are also doing in a well manner, because they are putting very inside the nose. The swab testing is effective, I guess. So when you going to that Zayed port, there is one form. After PCR test, you need to fill the form, and you need to go inside to get the watch. Because if you are a person like related to the COVID positive case, like you need to like wear the watch, and then you need to do so many things. You need to do home isolation, that is like a GPS tracking watch. If you are just moving all around the places, like you will be with a, you will be like ending up with heavy fines. But fortunately what happened was, like in my case they said like no need watch. So why watch is not needed in my case? Because like I already got COVID positive last month, and I already recovered from that actually. So because of this recovery, immediately we should not wear this, and we won't get COVID positive again for next 2 3 months. This is what the basic thing. So that's why they said like no need watch, like if you get negative you can move around. So they confirmed this, and then I happily came back. So result also negative, so it's fine. Otherwise you need to just put that GPS watch, and it's a big headache.